Hello, so today we will look at UPSC CSAT pattern. Okay, welcome to Sania's Academy. Anyhow, UPSC CSAT. So the mode of this examination, as you know, it is offline. Okay, so it starts from 2:30 p.m. to till 4:30 p.m. It's a second paper, evening paper. So the paper language will be English and Hindi. There will be a total of 200 marks. The negative mark is added, which is 1 by 3. So the 1/3 of the total mark will be deducted, which is 0.83. So in question 1 you scored it correct, and question 2 you scored it wrong. So you will be granted as 2.5 minus 0.83. Okay, and the duration of the exam is 2 hours. The qualifying mark, you should score minimum of 66 mark, which is a qualified mark. So you scored in paper 1, you scored more than 100, and paper 2 you scored less than 60, then you are lost. Per question it is 2.5 mark. Okay, paper 1 it is 2 mark, and paper 2 it is 2.5 mark for per questions. Now question, there are a total of 80 questions, and the nature of exam is qualifying. So now let's look at the pattern of the CSAT papers. Okay, PYQ analysis. So we have question on cube and cuboid. We have one question in 2023. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. We have the dice questions, which is important, 3 questions for the past 5 years. Now we have alphanumerical questions, the clock, calculator, coding, decoding, direction, blood relation, ranking wala questions we have. See, you can expect, it's common, blood relation is common every year you can expect minimum of 1 questions. Okay, then we have the puzzle arrangements, then we have the images. Yeah, see, puzzle arrangement, 11 questions on 2017. It's important, right? It's important. You can expect one questions. Statement wala questions, it's also important. Then counting figures, that's also important for this exam. Okay, analytical part, reading comprehension. See, so ranking is important, puzzle arrangement is important, and on class 9th and 10th we have studied linear equation, right? So guys, remember linear equation, that chapter is important. You can expect 1 question from this chapter. Okay, so alphanumerical part is also important for this exam. And as I always say to my kids, listen very carefully, do not worry of this exam. Okay, do not worry, it is easy paper. It is easy if you practice. Again, I'm saying, if you practice, it's easy. Now you can easily clear this exam, mark my words, because I am a person who have no practical skill in maths, but still I cleared. Never demotivate yourself, never degrade yourself. If you score, you can score minimum of 60 marks even if you have no practical skill in maths. And trust me, you don't have to solve all the 80 questions. Minimum of 30 to 40 questions, maximum of 30 to 40 questions is fine, but that's it. And all the 30 to 40 questions that you solve should be correct. Okay, even if you get 4 or 5 wrong answers, still you can clear this paper. So make sure that you only solve the answers that you know it right, and trust me, you can score more than 60 marks. More than 60 marks you can solve. You can get it.